Insta skip no more? Platform tests unskippable ads in latest update. Meta-owned social media platform Instagram is purportedly checking a new feature known as ad breaks that prompts short but unskippable ads. Instagram is yet to officially unveil any details about the feature. However, the users have purportedly claimed its arrival. This move by the platform has disturbed the users, so they're planning to substitute the Instagram app. Ad breaks feature. Taking to Instagram, a user at NotThatOG with the name posted about the introduction of a new feature that brings unskippable ads for particular users. The post garnered various comments about its introduction without any official information. A user stated, "I came here to post this because there are no talks about it anywhere." The move purportedly left many users disturbed with Instagram. The users get 3 to 5 second ads while watching Reels or using the app. A user spotlighted that they tried to give feedback about the feature but found nothing. Addition to Notes feature. Instagram currently revealed new addition to Notes. This feature allows users to share their feelings with friends. With Notes prompts, the users can look at questions and studies posted when they open Notes. Moreover, they can upload their notes as an answer to the question. In addition, the users can immediately react to their friends' and followers' notes with the quick like feature. The last addition is the tag feature, in which the users can mention their friends utilizing the @ icon before their username.